Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how can we create a short video or animation from ABAQUS output database file. So I have three windows open. I'm just watching a three-dimensional view of the BMI analyzed, and also a, XY view, and also a bottom view of the bottom layer of my beam. So to create a video, you need to run this option, time history animate option. And as you can see, these three windows are linked together, and they are showing the different stress propagation and failure evolution too. So let's go to animate and then save as. Then in the pop-up window, select a file directory for that where you want to save your video, and then say select a folder and then give a file name. Let's say this is video number 1, and we can click on OK. Let's select it as an ABI file. Then select the rate of frame rate per second, and I have 58 frame here. So if I input the rate as 10 frame per second, the video will be 5.8 second long. So you can select 20, then your video will be almost 2.4 inch, 4 second long. Okay, so let's do it 10 second and click on OK, and it will create the video in few seconds. We are waiting for the video to be completed, and it's complete now. So if we open the folder, you can see a video has been created here, and if you open it with VLC Clear, you can see the video here. So it has created a video of almost 5 second long. So that's how you can do it.